In the previous recipe, we talked about how to grill eggplant in the right way. And it doesn't need much work to grill and peel, a recipe that works for lunch or dinner. You can do it at home because all ingredients are simple and available. But today is a super quick recipe of baba ganoush. I would like to ask you, what is the name of this recipe in your country? After you watch this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the Juice Moose channel. And hit a bell to notify you of the upcoming recipes. All ingredients you need. 50 grams each of green and red bell pepper. And 50 grams of chopped tomato. And 25 grams of chopped onion. Then add chopped parsley. And 1 minced garlic clove. It's very important to add pomegranate seeds and lemon juice to baba ganoush, because it gives the mixture a pleasant sourness, combined with the taste of smoked eggplant. Now, add 1 teaspoon of salt. And then add pomegranate molasses and olive oil, a 1/4 cup each. You may be wondering why so much pomegranate molasses and olive oil. It's true. I will answer it. Because pomegranate molasses gives sweetness and sourness, and olive oil helps to separate these flavors. Mixing time. And after that, I will put it in the fridge to rest for an approximate period of half an hour to an hour at least, for an excellent harmony of flavors. You have also heard what I said, right? The harmony of flavors. It's smoky, sour, and sweet flavors in one bite. You will never stop taking second and third bites. I promise you that. If you want to add crunchiness to the recipe, just add walnuts on top. Oh, don't forget to watch the previous recipe of Moutabal. I link it in the description box and in the top right of your screen. Go ahead and leave comment. If you like this super quick recipe of baba ganoush, don't forget to give me a thumb up to support my channel. And thank you for watching. See you next week. Peace.